All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number 1004, Sauer versus Moffitt.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Sauer?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, George and I were engaged to be married. However, that did not, we broke up. In the process of being engaged, George adopted my 9-year-old son, Travis.
Okay.
And even though we're not going to get married, I would like to seek child support from George for Travis.
Welcome to Truth Court, where the drama is intense and the stakes are high. Today's case is truly one for the books. Kay Sauer, a heartbroken ex-fiancé, is demanding child support from a man who, believe it or not, legally adopted her son before backing out of their wedding. The man in question, George Moffitt, is trying to avoid paying up, claiming he had a panic attack before the big day. But here's the kicker: he legally adopted Travis, and in the eyes of the law, that's a commitment he can't undo. This isn't just a broken relationship story. It's about responsibility, emotional manipulation, and a shocking twist you won't see coming. Get ready, because the judge isn't tolerating any excuses. By the end of this, someone will either be paying up or walking down the aisle.
Okay. Any objection to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Well, we were engaged. It was great. Her kid, Travis, he's really sweet.
Wait, her kid?
You
adopted him, right?
I'm not the biological father.
He's not.
Adopted
but
him,
you adopted Travis.
I was getting, yes, I did. Yes, I'm not denying that I did adopt Travis.
So Travis is your son too?
Technically, yes.
Okay.
We were intending on marrying. I had a panic attack, Your Honor, a month before the wedding, and I ran out.
Okay.
I left, and we never got married. I don't make a whole lot of money, and
I'm not following you.
I don't really see Keely. I don't see Travis much these days.
He misses you, and I miss you.
I'm not following you. You adopted Travis legally. He's your son.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means you should be paying child support for him.
I probably should.
Probably?
Have you ever done something that you maybe freaked out about? And
yeah, sitting here listening to your story is freaking.
Hold up. George just admitted he legally adopted Travis, but now he's acting like that doesn't come with any real responsibility. Let's make this crystal clear. Once you adopt a child, you become their legal parent, no matter what happens with the relationship. This isn't like a Build-A-Bear where you can just return the item because things didn't work out. George is trying to avoid paying support like he's playing dodgeball, but Judge Vonderby isn't letting him off the hook. Here's the big question. If you adopt a child and then the relationship falls apart, should you still have to pay child support? Or does the broken engagement change everything?
I'm a nice guy. I deliver the mail, you know?
Okay.
I in this neighborhood, actually.
Thank you for delivering our mail.
You're welcome. I like it. It's great.
Mr. Moffitt, you came here to waste my time, didn't you?
No, Your Honor.
Obviously you did, because everything you're saying about delivering mail in this neighborhood and you're a nice guy, that has nothing to do with child support. Travis is your son. You have an obligation to support him. It's just as simple as that.
Are you okay? You're not going to have another panic attack, are you?
Oh.
Okay.
Do you really miss me?
Travis asked about you. I just want what's best for my son.
Wait, Your Honor, can we, what? When is he asking about me?
He asks, he asks at night right before bed. I mean, you adopted him, so,
Why don't you call and check on the child?
Just scared, I guess.
Scared of what?
When I adopted...
Mean to him? I mean, what's the... I feel like I'm missing something here. What am I missing?
I feel like, George just, George does have his panic attacks, but, I just want what's best for my son, and,
This isn't about playing nice or making small talk. George isn't getting a free pass just because he's trying to act like the good guy. The judge is locked in. When you adopt a child, it's not just a nice gesture, it's a legal commitment. It's binding, and there's no way around that. George seems like he's trying to guilt-trip the court with his excuses, hoping to avoid a real decision. But the facts don't care about his feelings or his nice guy act. The law is clear, and that's what matters here.
I do, George. I do. I want you to be happy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Oh.
So maybe I was wrong about you and Travis.
Do you want to?
Do you guys want to get back together? You're really making my heart jump over here.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've never been in court before, Your Honor, but I feel like, yeah.
Maybe you guys should go ahead and get married. Forget the whole engagement thing. Get married. Then you don't have to worry about child support. Sounds good, right?
Oh my gosh. It's so simple.
Keely, are you?
I still have the ring.
I mean, we could get married right now.
You can do that?
Of course.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah,
okay, sure.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Mr. Moffitt, do you take this woman to be your wife?
Yeah, I do.
And do you take Mr. Moffitt to be your husband?
I do.
Hold on, things just took a surprising turn. Now we're in full-on rom-com territory. Kay is tearing up, apologizing, and out of nowhere, George is talking about how his heart is racing. What started as a child support case is quickly heading toward wedding territory. But let's not lose focus. There's still a child at the center of this. This emotional moment might feel like something out of a romance movie, but the judge has one job, making sure Travis is taken care of, no matter how sweet the reunion might seem. Romance aside, the child's needs come first.
You guys are married and there is no child support.
Plot twist of the year. They got married right on the spot. And just like that, the child support issue is wiped away. The judge made a master move. By marrying them, she turned the child support question into a non-issue. Now, Travis is legally their mutual child again, and they are all under one roof. This ending is jaw-dropping, but it leaves us wondering, was this true love, or just a last-ditch escape plan to avoid paying support? Either way, the court's decision is final, and in the blink of an eye, this courtroom drama turned into a honeymoon.
Ending we don't see very often in this court. So once you guys are married, no one pays child support, okay? So if there's nothing further from either of you, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
And there you have it. What began as a bitter custody and support battle ended in a surprise wedding. George dodged child support by becoming a husband, Kay got the support she wanted for Travis, and maybe even a second chance at love. But what about Travis? Let's hope this new marriage lasts for his sake. If you were as shocked by this case as we were, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Truth Court for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. Because around here, drama doesn't just walk in, it testifies.
Okay, so I want to go over what you all witnessed in the case of Sauer versus Moffitt. This is ideally how you would want any type of child support case to be, where there is a case where no child support is being ordered. Well, in Texas, whenever the parties get married, it makes the child support obligation obsolete, essentially. So that's why in this case, you didn't see that there were either one of the parties were ordered to pay child support or anything like that. And clearly, Mr. Moffitt got it right. It's cheaper to keep her. Do you know of anyone who's experienced a similar situation? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure you comment below. You never know, their story may end up as a scenario on our show. After all, these kids aren't raised on air alone. Support Court with Judge Vonda B.